This May, Festool is pushing woodworking innovation to the next level. From advanced cordless saws built for precision cutting to comfortable sanding systems, along with flexible jigsaws and multifunctional workstations, 15 exciting new tools are preparing to launch. Every tool is engineered to make projects faster, cleaner, and more precise, while giving both professionals and DIY enthusiasts the flexibility to build with confidence. Get ready to discover the newest collection of Festool tools that blend modern engineering with real-world woodworking performance. Sanding drywall, especially overhead, can be tiring and messy, but the Festool Planex LHS 2M makes it much simpler and easier. It's battery-powered, so you're free to move around without worrying about cords. The sander is lightweight, which makes it easy to handle for long periods, and the guide rail system helps you get smooth, even sanding every time. The built-in dust extraction keeps your workspace cleaner, which is a huge help when working indoors. Ergonomic design reduces strain on your arms and shoulders, so even bigger jobs feel less exhausting. Battery life is strong, letting you work without constantly stopping. If you do drywall work regularly, this sander saves time, keeps things neat, and makes finishing walls much easier. It's designed to make sanding faster, cleaner, and more comfortable, letting you get professional results without all the fatigue and hassle. Corners and edges often reveal the hidden flaws of a project. This sander uncovers them and smooths them away with ease. Compact yet powerful, it features a 200mm sanding pad driven by 18-volt batteries, offering cordless freedom without compromise. Its ergonomic design makes sanding recesses and tight spots effortless, while the LED light ring illuminates imperfections that would otherwise go unnoticed. With a 6,000 to 10,000 RPM speed range and 2mm sanding stroke, it delivers fine finishes with precision. Weighing 1.4 kilograms without a battery, it's light enough for extended use without fatigue. Built for mobility, it ensures every corner is addressed with professional accuracy. Festool's engineering guarantees durability and comfort, turning tedious sanding into a precise, efficient process. This isn't just a tool, it's a finishing partner, ensuring every surface reflects the quality of your craftsmanship every time.
A curve traced onto wood is only imagination until it's cut. The PSC-E cordless jigsaw brings those lines to life with precision. Weighing just 2.3 kilograms, including battery, it handles material thicknesses up to 40 millimeters effortlessly. Its fixed 90-degree table and guide roller keep cuts straight and true, while tool-free blade changes maintain workflow efficiency. Powered by 18-volt batteries, it combines portability with accuracy. With a stroke length of 26 millimeters and speeds ranging from 1,500 to 3,800 strokes per minute, it adapts to both delicate curves and strong straight cuts. Compact and ergonomic, it's designed for shaping intricate designs or cutting structural pieces. Whether working on furniture, cabinetry, or creative projects, this jigsaw transforms ideas into reality with clean, reliable performance. It's not just about cutting, it's about shaping creativity into tangible results, ensuring every project carries the mark of precision craftsmanship. Cutting wood, metal, or plastic in tight spots can get tricky, but the Festool RSC-18 cordless makes it way easier. Since it's battery-powered, you're not stuck near an outlet, and it's compact and lightweight, so it feels comfortable in your hands. Changing blades is a breeze thanks to the quick change system, letting you switch between materials without wasting time. It also has a dust extraction system to keep your workspace clean, which is a big relief when you're working inside. The ergonomic design reduces strain, so even longer projects won't leave you exhausted. If you're into demolition, remodeling, or just need a reliable all-around saw, this one saves you time, keeps things tidy, and helps you get better results with less effort. It's designed to make those frustrating cutting jobs feel smooth and controlled every single time. Drilling in tight spaces or on uneven surfaces can be tricky, but the Festool MB40 mobile drilling attachment makes it a lot easier. This compact battery-powered attachment transforms your Festool drill into a mobile drilling station, giving you the freedom to work anywhere. It's perfect when precision is key, letting you drill at exact right angles with consistent accuracy. You can set versatile stops and adjust the drilling depth to up to 50 millimeters with readings in both millimeters and inches, so each hole is just right. Whether drilling vertical holes, end-face holes, or a series of repeat holes, the MB40 handles it. You can even use it on walls, floors, or ceilings. Setting it up is quick and moving it around is simple. The dust extraction keeps your workspace clean, while the ergonomic design helps reduce fatigue, letting you work longer with more control and less strain.
Drilling into concrete or masonry can be exhausting, but the Festool THC18EB Basic Rotary Hammer Drill makes it easier. It's cordless, so you can move freely around the job site, and its powerful motor handles tough materials without bogging down. The brushless EC Tech motor, combined with the pneumatic hammer mechanism, makes it durable and long-lasting. With 2.6 joules in impact energy, it delivers fast, efficient drilling every time. You can easily switch between hammer drilling, regular drilling, screw driving without impact, or chiseling in seconds. Its ergonomic design keeps your hands comfortable during long sessions, reducing fatigue. If you often work with hard materials, this rotary drill will save you time and energy. It's compact, tough, and reliable, making challenging drilling tasks much easier. Whether you're on-site or in a workshop, the KHC18EB helps you get the job done efficiently without wearing you out. The Festool OFKC 500 cordless edge router makes it smooth and easy. Being battery-powered, you're free to move around without worrying about cords. It's lightweight and comfortable, so long sessions won't leave your hands sore. Its well-balanced design keeps the router steady, and the guide rail system ensures straight, precise cuts every time. You get professional-looking edges without all the dust and fuss. Quiet and low vibration, it's easier to work for hours without fatigue. Whether you're in a workshop or on a job site, this sander gives you freedom, precision, and a pro-level finish without the hassle. It's simple, efficient, and reliable. Every workshop needs a reliable foundation, and this table provides it. Standing at 90 centimeters in height, with a perforated top and fold-away legs, it adapts to countless tasks. Guide rails, angle stops, and clamps secure workpieces firmly, ensuring precision in cutting, sanding, or assembly. Its aluminum profile integrates seamlessly with Festool system accessories, making it versatile for any project. The table surface measures 1,157 by 773 millimeters, offering ample workspace, while its 19mm hole grid supports flexible clamping. Despite its sturdy build, it weighs only 28 kilograms, making it portable when folded. Priced around $849, it's more than a table. It's a multifunctional stage where craftsmanship takes shape. Whether in a compact workshop or on site, it offers stability, adaptability, and accuracy. This table isn't just about holding materials, it's about holding the vision of the craftsman steady, ensuring every cut, every joint, and every finish reflects professional quality. A craftsman knows that precision defines the outcome, and this saw ensures it's flawless. With a 160mm blade diameter in cordless operation powered by dual 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, it achieves plunge depths up to 55mm. The kickback stop enhances safety, while the splinter guard keeps edges sharp and tear-free. Its 2.4 kilogram weight without batteries makes it easy to maneuver, and the 5,200 RPM speed ensures clean, efficient cuts. Cordless freedom means mobility across job sites, yet accuracy remains uncompromised. At around $549, it's an investment in reliability. Whether trimming panels, cutting doors, or shaping furniture, this saw transforms raw material into exact craftsmanship. With Festool's engineering, the TSC 55KS becomes more than a tool, it's a trusted partner in every workshop. Cutting wood or sheet materials usually means hauling a big, heavy table saw around, but the Festool CSC SYS 50 changes all that. It's cordless, so you can work anywhere without being tied to a power outlet. Even though it's compact and lightweight, it doesn't compromise on precision. Plus, the guide rail system ensures every cut is straight and accurate, while the dust extraction system keeps sawdust from piling up. and its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use, reducing fatigue during long woodworking sessions. Battery life is impressive, so you can keep going without constant interruptions. If you do woodworking, cabinetry, or DIY projects, this table saw saves time, makes precise cuts easier, and gives you clean, professional results. It's compact, portable, and built to help you tackle any cutting job efficiently.
This harness redistributes the weight of Planex sanders, shifting strain from arms to shoulders and pelvis. With its auxiliary handle and adjustable support system, control becomes natural, even during long sanding sessions. Packed neatly in a sustainer case, it's built for professionals tackling overhead work. In about $319, it's not just an accessory, it's endurance gear. The harness supports sanders weighing up to 6.5 kilograms, reducing fatigue significantly. Its adjustable straps allow customization for different body sizes, ensuring comfort and balance. For demanding overhead projects, this harness is the difference between exhaustion and efficiency. It's designed to extend stamina, enhance control, and ensure that every ceiling or wall surface is finished with precision without sacrificing comfort or energy. Grinding concrete, stone, or tile can be messy and tiring, but the Festool RG130 diamond grinder makes it cleaner and easier. This battery-powered grinder gives you freedom to work anywhere, while its powerful brushless EC Tech motor delivers smooth, uninterrupted performance. It's perfect for surface preparation, removing old coatings, adhesive residue, or just leveling rough areas, giving you the perfect base for your project. The durable diamond grinding disc works efficiently, so you get smooth results without extra effort. Connected to Festool's CT36AC HEPA or CT48AC dust extractors, and most of the dust is captured before it spreads, keeping your workspace much cleaner. Its ergonomic design also reduces fatigue, letting you grind longer with more control and less strain. For anyone doing a lot of concrete or tile grinding, this grinder saves time, improves precision, and makes tough jobs much easier and cleaner, so your results always look professional.
Working overhead or in awkward positions can be tiring, but the Festool ExoActive EXO 18 Exoskeleton changes that. It's like having an extra set of arms to support your shoulders while you work. Lightweight and fully adjustable, it fits different body types and tasks, giving you extra strength where you need it. The exoskeleton reduces strain and fatigue, so you can keep working longer without discomfort. It's perfect for dry mortarless construction, painting, wallpapering, or installations on walls and ceilings. By taking the load off your neck and arms, it helps you stay comfortable and productive. For anyone who does a lot of overhead work, like drywallers, painters, or electricians, the EXO 18 makes a huge difference. You'll finish your day feeling less worn out and able to take on more tasks. With this exoskeleton, challenging jobs become more manageable, letting you focus on precision and quality instead of fatigue. Sometimes a standard router isn't enough, and that's where the Festool MFKC 700KA comes in. This cordless module edge router is built for heavy-duty jobs, like shaping thick materials or making deep cuts. It's perfect for flush trimming or rounding off plastic and veneered edges, giving clean, professional results. The ideal center of gravity keeps it stable so it won't tip while you work. Anti-static dust extraction clears chips upwards, keeping your work area clean and your cuts precise. The brushless EC Tech motor delivers powerful cordless performance, giving you flexibility and control. Whether you're doing custom woodworking, large-scale projects, or detailed routing, this router adapts to the job. With the MFKC 700KA, you get the power, precision, and freedom to work efficiently. It's versatile, reliable, and designed to handle challenging materials without slowing you down. The Festool ETSC 2125 cordless eccentric sander makes it easier. Its compact design fits right in your hand, and the built-in LED ring lights up your work surface even in dim corners. The 3.5mm sanding stroke gives smooth, professional results every time. With the powerful 4-ampere battery, you can keep working without interruptions, and it's compatible with your existing 18-volt Festool cordless batteries and chargers. Its low height makes it comfortable whether you're sanding overhead or on a flat surface. Plus, low vibration means your hands won't get tired quickly.
Whether you're in a workshop or on a job site, this sander gives you freedom, precision, and a pro-level finish without the hassle. It's simple, efficient, and reliable.
That wraps up the complete lineup of Festool's newest tools launching this March. Every edition is built to deliver greater precision, comfort, and innovation for woodworking projects. Stay connected, subscribe, and continue creating with skill, confidence, and professional craftsmanship.